Hello. So I just wanted to make a quick video essentially showing what I meant when in this document, this article I wrote, explaining how to use the document active element. And it's super simple to do. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to show an example of where you might want to use this. So I'm going to click on this modal dialog on screen. But before I do that, I'm going to open the inspector tool, the developer tools, and I'm going to have it open on the console. This is an important step because the results will change if you've already clicked on something on the screen. So now that I'm on the website, I'm tabbing through. I'm going to launch this first modal dialog. It's expanded. Without clicking anywhere on the page, you have to click on the developer tools. Do not click anywhere on the page. You can only click on the developer tools. And I'm writing document.activeElement, pressing enter, and it tells me here that the dialog is getting focus. You could actually click on this to see which item. I'm going to open another example. And this example says the heading is getting focus. So a modal dialog with an autofocus. Oh, a modal dialog with its heading autofocus. So if I click on here, we can see there's a visual focus indicator on the My Title heading. So now I'm going to type documents.activeElement, and it tells me the heading is receiving focus. What happens if I activate this dialog and then I somewhere click on the page? Right, I clicked on the page. We visually see the focus change. So I clicked on the page. Now my result's different because I clicked somewhere on the page. So in order to use this trick, you cannot click anywhere on the page because that will change the results. And technically clicking anywhere on the page is a way of triggering focus and moving focus. So do not click anywhere on the page. I'm going to show another example of why you would want to do this. So here's this Lightbox jQuery plugin. It's not accessible. In the past, I've had to remediate this on client projects that I've worked on in the past. But this example, like I said, I'm going to inspect elements. I'm going to open the image. And I go to the console and I type document.activeElement. We see that there's Lightbox is getting focus. This isn't a very good location to get focus because there's nothing being announced. There's no relevant dialogue. There's no accessible name. So when I test this with the screen reader, it announces blank. And that would be very hard to hear what's in focus when nothing's announced. So being able to actually find what's in focus using the document active element is just such a useful tool to just keep in your tool belt while you're performing your accessibility testing. I'll try it again on this next image. Here, activate that second image. I'm going to type document.activeElement, and the focus is being placed on the overlay, looks like, which might be the background of this, the light gray background of the overlay in this dialog. So this tool is just very nice to have if you're ever wondering, like, where is focus being placed? Focus is on the input field. Useful for when like focus is in a weird location. If something's being announced weirdly back to the screen reader. For example, sometimes focus resets on an upload button and you have no idea what happened. So this is just a nice tool to have. Thanks for watching.